So we just bought this high efficiency washing machine, a Whirlpool, and we're not very used to this, but the clothes seem to be just getting destroyed. There's no water, or at least there's extremely low amounts of water, and we don't really know how it's actually cleaning anything since everything is getting destroyed. We have shirts that have been ripped. We have brand new shirts with holes. We're not liking high efficiency at all.